Let's talk about stomach 40, Fenglong. Fenglong is located on the lateral surface of the leg, 8 cun below stomach 35, or 8 cun above the lateral malleolus, that is halfway between. 2 fingerbreadths lateral to the anterior margin of the tibia, level with stomach 38. Fenglong is known as the abundant splendor, bountiful bulge. This is the luo connecting junction point with spleen. The earth element is not only associated with the transition between the seasons, but also with late summer, a time of harvest and abundance in nature. This luo connecting junction point between stomach and spleen, the two most intimately connected officials, resonates with the fruits of their labors. If the official who rots and ripens and the official who transforms and transports work well together and are healthy, then a person will be strong and well nourished in body, mind, and spirit. They will have no inappropriate exhaustion. Their thought will take shape into form. They will have a strong sense of their own center, knowing when to nourish themselves and when to be supportive to others. They will have a sense of bounty and of the splendor or radiance that the stomach official, as part of the Yang Ming, imparts to life. Often with imbalance in the earth element, there is a sense of the person never having received what they needed or wanted, that somehow they couldn't sustain their plans through maturation into manifestation and something they could reap. This point, which is a harmonizing action between these two officials, promotes a sense of connection with the abundance of the universe and the possibility that the stomach, the great storehouse, contains a harvest for them. This sense of trust that they will receive what they need alleviates anxiety, circular worry, and epigastric tightening, butterflies in the stomach. The bulge in the name refers to its location as the bulge in the belly of the tibialis anterior muscle and to the abundance and vitality of qi at the luo connecting point. As the junction point, it can be used to correct imbalance between stomach and spleen when there is relative excess in one or the other. Being a yang ming point on the leg, it nourishes the sinews where there is a paralysis or stiffness. Fenglong means thunder. It is considered to be a sign of the earth's abundance. Fenglong, stomach 40, resolves phlegm and clears damp. Stomach 40 is the most commonly used point for resolving phlegm, whether catarrh, under the skin, thyroid lumps, uterine lumps, obesity, or when phlegmistation causing mental disturbance, depression, or muzziness of the head and mental confusion. When phlegm and damp obstruct the flow of qi in the channel and prevent pure yang qi from reaching the head, heaviness, both physical and emotional in the head and body, can result, leading to depression and lethargy. Conversely, extreme worry, obsessions, or poor or overrich diet that impair the rotting and ripening of the stomach or the transforming and transporting of the spleen can lead to the formation of damp and phlegm. Stomach 40, Fenglong, calms the mind both through resolving phlegm that is missing the shen and by allowing clear qi to rise up, and additionally through being on the Yangming meridian, which is rich in blood and qi, and which has a profound effect when the person is extremely anxious, phobic, fearful, or their mind goes round and round. Clear stomach heat calms asthma. It is used in the treatment of asthma to resolve phlegm as well as open the chest and soothe breathing. It relaxes the chest after bruising of the rib cage. Indications: anxiety, tiredness, mental confusion, poor memory, sinusitis or headache from phlegm, nausea, vomiting, and indigestion from phlegm, asthma, bronchitis, swelling of the thyroid, lymph nodes, palpitations, and oppression in the chest caused by phlegm misting the heart. This is called the quiet word point. This wonderful nurturing point connects and enhances the official, the stomach, who rots and ripens, to the one that transports and transforms the spleen, thus bringing balance and harmony to the earth element. It is one of the main points in TCM to resolve and clear damp and phlegm from the system, and thus can help with mental fogginess and confusion, lethargy, poor memory, worry, or obsessive thinking. Indications and potential point combinations. For GI problems, especially with fluid retention or swelling, stomach 40, 36, spleen 9, 6, CV6. Chest pain, asthma, we can use stomach 40, 36, 13, bladder 13, lung 1, 7. Pain or swelling of pelvic limbs, stomach 40, spleen 6, 9, liver 8. For migraine, stomach 40, LI 4, liver 3, GV 20. Vertigo, dizziness, stomach 40, GB 20, bladder 10, governing vessel 20. Epilepsy, stomach 40, stomach 36, liver 3, LI 4, heart 7, GV 20. Evidence-based applications. Acupuncture using magnetic needles at LI 11, stomach 40, and liver 3 lowered endothelin 1, a potent vasoconstrictive peptide. Regarding the effects of acupuncture on canine gastric motility using stomach 36, 40, 41, 42, 45, bladder 12 or CV12, only stimulation of stomach 36 or bladder 21 promoted gastric motility, whereas motility decreased with CV12 stimulation. No significant changes in motility occurred after acupuncture at stomach 40, 41, 42, or 45. Acupuncture at lung 7, LI4, 11, stomach 40, PC3, and 6 resulted in immediate improvement in forced expiratory volume in 1 second in asthma patients. Acupuncture at stomach 40, gallbladder 20, GV20, and lung 7, as well as dermal needle tapping at GV14, improved symptoms in the majority of cases of patients with vertebrobacillar ischemic vertigo, as reported in a case series from China. Thank you so much for listening.